The agriculture plays a very important role in India because it contributes more than 19% of GDP in India, and therefore most of the students are their wishes to get admission in agriculture. The Jagannath University has well-equipped laboratories and field also so that the student can get. There are two principles in agriculture: learn by doing and seeing is believing. And we have a farm also, and the faculties, more experienced faculties are operated in Jagannath University because they are well versed with the different parameters of agriculture. Because we have adopted the course outline given by the 4th Dean Committee of Indian Council of Agriculture Research, and therefore whatever course we have adopted in this university, that will not only adopted in Rajasthan but all over the 52 agriculture universities in India, and therefore this university plays a very important role in dissemination of the agriculture knowledge to the students at grassroots level. Moreover, we have a farm manager also. In farm also we have different medicinal plants, spices also, different vegetables also, and wheat and barley, rabi crop, kharif crop, vegetable crop, and different plant protection measures are taken care of for the students. In addition to that, we have different exposure to the students and visiting this excursion visit to various centers of the university like Krishi Vigyan Kendras in Dosa and Ajmer, and National Research Center for Seed Spices in Ajmer, so that students can learn by doing, and seeing is believing is a principle of agriculture development. Besides this, there are so many of the employment opportunity for agriculture nowadays. The Government of India recently announced an ordinance: whatever cooperative societies in the remote areas and grassroots functionaries, only agriculture graduates are eligible to get the appointment in all those cooperative societies. Then there are certain vacancies in Department of Agriculture, Watershed, Animal Husbandry, and State Agriculture Universities for technical assistant, lab assistant, and besides this, there are so many of multinational companies dealing with the seeds, fertilizers, chemical, insecticide, pesticide, and the various organization where the students get so many of the opportunity also. In addition to that, each nationalized bank and private bank, they have a position of agriculture officer. Soon after the BSc Agriculture, they can get the job in the BSc Agriculture, in the banks also. And there are so many of the scholarships available with the Indian Council of Agriculture Research, CSRI, for the senior research fellow, junior research fellow. Even any student wishes to get higher education in all over the India, they can get the scholarship by appearing in the written examination, which we are going very shortly starting the coaching for the student, so that they can get the scholarship for higher education. The moment they receive the higher education, they will be appointed in the various Krishi Vigyan Kendras. In India, more than 650 Krishi Vigyan Kendra, and every Krishi Vigyan Kendra has 3 positions of BSc Agriculture. And so that I think so, there is a more employment opportunity nowadays prevailing in the agriculture faculty. Now the Jagannath University is only the university in Rajasthan, among us the India also, that has a well-equipped the laboratories, well qualified staffs and field also, so the students can get exposed by taking care of the field experiments in the villages.